During colonial period, traders had a significant role. Tribals, they were simple people. They were the people of forest. They were the people of jungle. These traders, this category or daikus, they took entire advantage of their simplicity. So these traders, they used to sell the goods or the daily commodities to high price to the tribals. But these tribes, they were poor because they were working as a bonded labor. No wage that was paid by the zamindars or landlords. Some of them in very low wage. Apart from that, they had to pay tax as revenue to the British. So they could not purchase the goods from the traders, but they were compelled to purchase because some necessary items they had to buy from the traders, and those traders, they got huge benefit from the tribes or tribals. When Birsa Munda, he raised his voice against British rule or against this law and order and acts, and entire Munda category, apart from Munda sect, other tribes also supported him. But before British force, they could not stand because their leader, he was arrested, Birsa Munda. He was in prison. That is why gradually this revolt, it was eradicated from the tribal society or from the tribal world. So guys, this is your chapter. This is the content of your chapter, a review of the previous teaching. So on the basis of today's teaching, you please note down some questions. You have got your book, you have purchased your book. On page 31, open your book, page number 31, A. Question A, you solve the MCQ. Go through the chapter, read the chapter and solve MCQ. Then B. This question on behalf of me on the basis of this chapter or today's lesson teaching. B. Roman number 1. Name some tribal groups of India. Name some tribal groups of India. You can add 4, 5 or 3. Minimum 3 you have to write. Roman number 2. What is the term meant by shifting cultivation? What is the term meant by shifting cultivation? Roman number 3. What factors were compelled the tribes to work in the field of landlords? I repeat, what factors were compelled the tribals to work in the field of landlords generation after generation? Just now I discussed before you, generation after generation. Roman number 4. How was the lifestyle of the tribals before colonial rule? How was the lifestyle of the tribals before colonial rule? COLONIAL, colonial rule. Roman number 5. Write a short note on Birsa Munda. Write a short note on Birsa Munda. Guys, about shifting cultivation, I already discussed in my previous lecture that what is shifting cultivation. One is settled agriculture. Shifting cultivation means before, I am talking about before British rule, the tribals, a patch of land they possess, suppose they possess a patch of land, and whatever the dried leaves or whatever the plants were there in that patch of land, they used to cut off those plants, burn those things, the twigs, dried twigs, leaves, they used to burn, and there they started cultivation, and seasonally one after another they cultivated vegetable, grains and pulses, they used to cultivate. And the after the harvesting they distributed among themselves, or they kept it for themselves for their own consumption. And this 1 year or 1.5 years or maximum 2 years, when the land it was exhausted, that means one after another vegetables, grains, so there is a limit. So the land it became exhausted. Fertility it was lost. The land's fertility was lost. So when they noticed it, then the tribals along with their families and along with their herd, that means cattle, goat and sheep, they used to shift from that region or that area to the other area. Then once again they used to settle down there, and once again they took a patch of land and they started cultivation. So this is called the shifting cultivation. So guys, I think you have understood the chapter, because this is a review I have discussed on the basis of your new book, chapter number 4, on page 31, MCQ. You will solve after going through the chapter, each and every important point you memorize, and then you solve MCQ, and after that you solve the questions. Those are given by me right now. Till then guys, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay home. God bless you. Bye bye.